Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Chat GPT AI online on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right in. Now, in order to use the Chat GPT AI, first you'll be required to log into your Chat GPT account. To do that, open your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in chat.openai.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the Chat GPT. But my computer has already saved my login credentials of the Chat GPT account, so I'll not be required to log in. So I've been directly logged into my account. But in your case, first do make sure to log into your account. With that being said, after you log in, this is the home interface of the Chat GPT. Now, in order to use the Chat GPT, let's first ask the Chat GPT itself how can we use you. And on the source bar, you can see, or the taskbar, or any bar over here with input bar, I guess. On the downside of the screen, you can insert the text like how to use the Chat GPT AI like this, and give a question mark, and it will start to give you some answers. You can see, to use the Chat GPT, you can input a prompt or question, and the model will generate a response based on its training data. The input can be the form of natural text language such as question or statement. The output will also be a natural language text and will be generated by the model based its understanding of the input and its knowledge of the training data. And you can see what can Chat GPT do, and let's get the information out of the Chat GPT AI itself. Chat GPT is a language model, which means that, guys, you'll not be able to make some music videos or pictures out of the Chat GPT AI. You'll only be able to do tasks like text generation, text completion, language translation such as translating text from one language to another, question answering, and text classification, chatbots, authentication, and many of those things. Let's go with the text generation. We can basically, for the text generation purpose, we can say for the Chat GPT AI to write an essay on why soil should not be corrupted. And you can see, this is the example for the text generation. Let's go with it. Let's put it in a quotation mark and hit on enter, and the Chat GPT AI will start to write your essay. You can also do things like writing an articles or poetry or stories, or also some song lyrics if you want to. The song lyric, even though you write the song lyrics on the Chat GPT AI, you will have to optimize it, but that is start, and that is one of the awesome features that is provided by the Chat GPT. And you can see, guys, this is an awesome essay on the topic of soil. And with that being done, guys, you can also question answer it, you can also translate with it, you can also authenticate and chatbot with it, you can text summarize it, or you can see with a long article or a book, you can complete your text. As you can see, if you want the AI to complete your text like I am a person, and hit on enter, and it will start to, oh, that input had been a might incomplete. Let's go with complete the sentence. I am a person, and you can see it will complete the statements according to the Chat GPT and the input you gave. So this is an awesome output from the Chat GPT. You can also use the Chat GPT to write some codes. I'll not be doing all of these, but by explaining these two examples, you should have got the grasp of how to use the Chat GPT AI. You can write articles, essays, you can complete your stories, you can complete your sentences, you can translate your languages, you can classify your text, you can authenticate the chatbot. But authenticating chatbot is way beyond this video's scope, so we'll not be doing that. Let's go with another one of the example. For example, write a Node.js code on a login page, and enter, or simply press on the airplane icon over here. You can see the ChatGPT AI will start to write the code immediately after you give the command. And there, guys, this is how you can use the chat gpt AI for different purposes. And fine, if you have any different purposes than I just explained, please do make sure to comment in the comment section below so I can guide you or help you with any fact you're confused. And there, guys, this is how you use the chat gpt AI online from your computer. And you can see this code sets up a simple login page with a form that has fields for the user to enter the username, password. The form is submitted to login input. And this is just an example, guys. If you are a professional programmer, you will know what it exactly is, but this is for only the demos person. Now let's go with the last one example, which is the question answer statement. Who is Mr. Einstein, I guess. And let's go. And you can see Albert Einstein. Mr. Einstein's biography is given by the chat gpt. And this is also how you can use the chat gpt AI for all your own question answers. You can also use the chat gpt AI to answer your math questions, any of those. Let's go with another example. 2 plus 2, and hit on enter. Oh, and you can see, guys, this is the example for the math which can be done by the chat gpt online, which is also the question, and it gives me the answer. And there, guys, this is how you can use the chat gpt AI writer model online to do many things. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.